so far. She acts like she's meaning business. It's 10 o'clock. I didn't think it was supposed to start till later. But it's coming down. Take my time here and poke along. I ain't getting excited. Grass and everything's covering up pretty good. Pretty good night. I powder coated about 1,800 pieces tonight, so I'm moving right along. Not too bad for an old guy. I only had a few bad ones. So I was happy with that. Boss was happy with that. Wet snow is probably going to start washing some of the salt off the road. That's one bad thing about it here. I don't think we're supposed to get a big snowstorm. I think it's only a couple of inches, but it's coming down. It's being in business. Moving along here. Street lights to see what's going on here. The road's starting to get white. Feel the slush on it right now. Get out here and it's open out here to be able to see it blowing around pretty good. I don't think I'll have any issues here coming out. Starting to cover up here a little bit pretty quick. Blowing around pretty good. Oh man, winter ain't done with us yet here. I understand we're supposed to get a bunch more coming through, just clipper storms. Mind the snow so much, I just don't like having bitter cold weather anymore. I don't think I'll see any deer running across the roads tonight. They're probably all hunkered down in a pine thicket somewhere or in a holler somewhere. They keep paving these roads and they just don't seem to hold up. Probably bounce around, full of holes. Again, that's a Pennsylvania winter for you too. Freeze and thaw cycle. But you had to have the salt on. You get that black ice on them, everybody's in danger. Coming up on a bridge down here, I bet you that deck's starting to cover up pretty good. It'd be a little bit colder, I would believe. Look at it when you get up on her. Surprisingly, it looks the same as the road does. And it's starting to get covered up. It's starting to get white and it's slushy. Here and get on the back roads that I like to run going home. Oh, yeah, that little sliding back there. The roads are getting bad. The old anti-lock started talking. I'm the only one on this road so far. I didn't think it was all that bad, that slush. They've got this field cleaned up pretty nice. When I was a kid there used to be an old body fence in there and it was half grown up with brush and everything else. But it cleaned see more and more of the purple on the trees nowadays too, where instead of putting the posters up, everybody uses a purple paint anymore. I guess that's a good thing, keep you off there and let everybody know whose property's whose. They're paying the taxes on it, so they can say whatever they want to say about what goes on it. Hopefully people slow down there. I wasn't expecting to slide back there. People flipping along thinking they're just wet. Got a little slushy. Years ago, I used to do cone hunting on this old farm right here. Me and a friend of mine. My dog wasn't all that good. His dog was a little bit better than mine. We did kill some coon on it. That's years ago. It was fun. You go out there and run through the woods all night long. Back when I was young and I could go on a couple hours sleep. I can't do that anymore. So snow's being a business here. It's a fine snow too. And windshield wipers isn't interfering with the audio too much. It's coming down pretty good. If I get on this little bit of hill down here, I might want to slide. I'll have to take my time coming down it. That doesn't look too bad. They must have enough salt cinders maybe on it. This hill and get across this bridge, and then I gotta make a left. Excuse me. Yep. No issues there. So I don't know how well the camera's picking all this up. It's coming down pretty good. Fine wet snow. Heavy snow. And these secondary roads are covering up. I'll swing on around and come down 22 and have a look at it to see what it looks like. Once I get in the door at home, I'll stand there a little more so it can snow. I just hope nobody has any accidents or anything. Dicey here on these secondary roads. Like I said, I already slid once. Back in the day when I was a kid, I was running around with these old rear-wheel drive cars and SUVs. They were around, but there wasn't very many. Nowadays, everybody seems to have a rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. Back in my day, you put winter tread tires on the car and you put weight in the back end. And I I even had a set of strap-on hand chains for on the back of the car in case I got stuck. That was back 50 years ago. So, still trying to snow here pretty good. Here on Route 22 now. It's covering up. All the traffic on it, they can't pre-treat it, let the cinders and stuff on it because it gets all beat off by the coals. But it's covering up too. It's going to get bad probably. As fast as it's coming down, PennDOT ain't going to keep up. And being it's a Friday night, it's, it's a weekend coming up though, but PennDOT doesn't bother with it. It's a snowy ride home. Or in front of me grabbing the brakes, he's slowing down. He maybe felt something. I'm just about home. So there's that one spot that I hit slush and kind of slid around on it. I wouldn't be out running around tonight on it, I'll tell you that. I'll get home and that's where I'm going to stay. I got to work again tomorrow. 6 days in a row. Making up for that strike last summer. I'm on the jug handle now. We got a bunch of traffic coming up the highway. I won't make them stop for me. Alright. Ooh, there I broke loose there again. And she's getting a little slick. That's slush on the roads. Everybody be careful, please. Get up the driveway. Alright, everybody have a good evening. I'm going to shut this off. Good night. Oh, son of a gun.